gonna need some orange fabric, some green tulle, a Sharpie, and a hot glue gun. I'm just gonna use a black Sharpie. You can use any color if you want, but I am personally just going to use a black Sharpie. So the first, I am just going to be laying the shirt. This is just an old shirt that I took the saying from. It's a shirt that didn't fit me. So I'm just going to do like a tank top, and I'm going to be using Vinny. He's one of my boy dolls. So I'm just going to measure it, how big I want the top to be. I'm just going to cut above that and just cut straight. I want this side because it is a lighter side. So we're just going to do that. Like I said, as it heats up, I'm out of Velcro, but use Velcro if you have it. I forgot to mention this, but you're going to need Velcro. I found some Velcro, which is really, really good because I really need Velcro. And you're just going to measure the Velcro out to the doll, to the waist. And then we're just going to let my hot glue gun, it is taking a little. So you stick the Velcro onto the shirt, like that, right. And then you're going to get your scissors, and then you're going to cut the excess fabric off of the shirt. Right. And then you are just going to put that over the doll like this. Right. Okay. Next thing, I'm going to take the green tulle, and I'm just gonna honestly just put a little. Okay. Now what you're gonna be doing is you are going to be. I'm gonna be using this like little piece. You know what? Maybe we should just take this off of the doll. How about that? Let's do that. Okay. So you're going to take the shirt, and you're just going to draw a face. There we go. Whoa, that's kind of a cute shirt. Okay. Let's see what it looks like onto the doll. You're going to take the leftover tulle, and I'm just going to make like a little ascot. Oh my god, that kind of looks, he looks cute. You look so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to fix his hair. So here's the finished look. I just paired it with some black leggings and shoes, but I like the idea that I had this extra tool and I just, put on his neck and it looks a little cute. It looks a little like, it could be like a choker or a little ascot. I kind of like the little ascot ideal to it. So yeah, this was just a really, really easy costume. This is actually a makeup from last year. I didn't film one last year, so this is like the makeup one for that. Go check out my other ones. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel, and if I remember to link them all down here. And also I did a fairy costume, which that one was very, very difficult to do. So please, if you want to check that out, it would be in the description. Oh my god, there's a little piece of glue. So thank you guys so much for watching. Does it look good? Bailey. Hey Bailey. Yeah. We're rolling. Oh! Comment, rate, and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram at Purple Moose Dolls. Yeah, and also happy Halloween! I dig your scarf. Thank you. A lot of people said they don't like my scarf. I dig it. I'm giving off that pumpkin vibe.